A week ago, I was late by 2 minutes, and they deducted 100,000 from my year-end bonus. I know. It was the new factory director, Zhang Tao, using me to assert his authority. He wanted to make an example of me. But that's okay. Since that day, I go to work and clock in at the very last second. As soon as the bell rings, I shut down my computer and leave immediately. I want to show you all that without me, this factory can't even run.
What is our company? It's the benchmark of C-Along Group. What is discipline? Discipline is the lifeline of a company. But there are always a few bad apples who lack organization and discipline. Arrogant, ignoring our factory rules. Since I was appointed to be the director of this factory, starting today, I will seriously crack down on this unhealthy trend. Lin Wei. As a senior engineer in our factory, a key technical expert, you were actually late by 2 whole minutes today. 2 minutes. According to our newly issued labor discipline regulations, being late by 1 minute results in a fine of 100. Being late by 2 minutes, your behavior is very serious. Therefore, I have decided to deduct Lin Wei's entire year-end bonus for this year, totaling 100,000, as a warning to others.
100,000? I heard Engineer Lin worked overtime until 4 in the morning. That's why she was 2 minutes late. Director, isn't this regulation making a mountain out of a molehill?
What do you know? He's using Engineer Lin to show his power. As the saying goes, a new broom sweeps clean. And the first clean sweep lands on Engineer Lin.
Lin Wei, do you have any defense?
Why should I explain? For someone who wants to use me as an example to show his power, any explanation is just futile.
Wei, Engineer Cheng, please just give in. Admit your mistake and apologize to the director. That's 100,000 year-end bonus.
If you have no problem with the disciplinary outcome, then come up and sign this.
Wei, that's your whole year's bonus. Just give in and it'll blow over. Director, Lin Wei was up until 4 in the morning debugging the new equipment last night. She worked overtime until 4 in the morning.
Shut up. No matter how late she worked, it's no excuse for being late. Factory rules are paramount, you understand. If you plead for her again, I'll punish you too.
Senior, don't say any more. I accept the punishment. I know he wants to see me beg. Wants to see me break down. So he can make an example out of me. But I will never bow to him.
Xiao Lin, you are the technical talent our factory just hired. From now on, you must work hard with me. Let's work together and make this factory great.
Don't worry, Master. I will learn from you diligently and work hard.
Good. I have high hopes for you. Xiao Lin, all the machinery and equipment in our factory depend on our technical testing. So, we cannot be careless in this job. We must be dedicated and meticulous. Because the factory trusts us so much, we must repay it well.
Master, I will.
Xiao Lin, your skills now have far surpassed your master's. You are fully capable of taking over the equipment debugging for the factory. Your master can retire with peace of mind.
Master.
Be sure to remember what I said.
Don't worry, Master. I will strictly follow your teachings, putting the factory first.
Good, very good. Your master is leaving now.
Master, rest assured. I will use my own way to fulfill your entrustment. And protect your life's work.
What are you waiting for? Sign it now.
Wei, you really signed it?
You all see this. This is the penalty for violating labor discipline. From today onwards, anyone who dares to violate labor discipline will be like her. No mercy. Understood?
Wei, why do you have to be so stubborn? You just signed it like that. That was 100,000.
Next, I have another announcement, Zhang Hao. This is Zhang Hao. He just graduated this year. Starting today, he officially joins our engineering department. As a technician, everyone welcome him.
A fresh graduate? What does he know? I heard he's the factory director's nephew.
What about
No
this?
unauthorized doing of this, chatting, playing
It's
on
me
phones,
and my uncle.
sleeping. Me and my uncle, if found, immediate dismissal, the new factory rule made overnight. Starting today, every workshop must post it. Every employee must memorize and follow it. Don't be arrogant like some people, thinking the whole factory revolves around her.
Alright, that's it for today.
Meeting adjourned, everyone go back to work.
Let's go. Back to work.
Without the butcher, do we eat hairy pigs? Stop being so pretentious.
Wait. What are you doing? It's only 5 o'clock.
Strictly follow factory rules and leave on time. My war has just begun.
Teacher Lin. My name is Joe Bokian. I studied technical programming in Germany. I had the honor of attending your lecture. I benefited a lot.
May I ask what this is about?
It's like this year I just acquired our Daxia, the largest mechanical processing plant in the East. Now we are missing a highly skilled person in charge. I immediately thought of you. That's why I came uninvited. I sincerely invite you to join my company.
Well,
Name your salary and benefits. And I promise you, I will give you maximum authority in the factory. I will never interfere with your management or work. If you...
thank you for your trust in me. However, I don't plan to switch jobs for now. Sorry. The war has just begun. How could I desert? Besides, this is where Master has guarded his whole life. I have to keep guarding it for him.
All right, Miss Lin, I respect your choice. But if you need anything, you can come to me anytime.
It's been a long time since I had a peaceful breakfast.
Shaolin. All these machines in our factory need to be preheated an hour in advance. So we have to work a little harder. We need to come an hour early to start them up.
I understand, Master. I won't forget.
All right, clock in.
Going to work an hour early every day, in other people's eyes, is not as important as being 2 minutes late. Good morning, senior brother.
Morning.
Everyone, be careful. This is the most valuable equipment in the whole factory. Imported from Germany. Specifically, produces the core optical components for lithography machines. So you must remember, be careful. Morning, Engineer Lin.
Morning, Director Lee.
Okay. Time's almost up. Start the machine. What the? This.
What's going on? This machine today. Why is it so loud?
This batch of lenses we produced are all cracked. They're defective. All of them need to be scrapped. This.
Who operated it? Do you know? If these are scrap, how much money will our factory lose? Who did this? I'll dock his pay.
Factory manager, we operated by the rules.
Yeah, we don't know what happened either. Why not ask Engineer Lin?
Lin Wei.
Lin Wei.
Factory Manager, Director Lee. What's wrong?
Engineer Lin. The machine has a problem. Go take a look.
Okay.
Lin Wei. Come and look at this. Why are these products unqualified? Did this machine have another problem?
The servo motor torque is overloaded. The robot arm positioning accuracy is off.
Engineer Lin. You didn't come early to debug this morning?
Why would I come early to debug?
But before, didn't you always come an hour early to debug the machine? Why didn't you come early today?
I think you're deliberately slacking off. And taking revenge for personal grudge. Do you want to keep your job?
Article 3 of the factory rules says, pre-operation, inspection, and debugging are normal work tasks that should be done during regular working hours. It's just past 8 now. This is normal working hours.
You.
For the past 10 years, I've come an hour early every day to debug the machines, but you shouldn't take my voluntary effort for granted.
Let me. Isn't it just a torque parameter? I got this. Isn't it just a torque parameter? I got this.
See that? As expected of our factory's outstanding young engineer. Unlike some people who think the world won't go round without them. Lin Wei, step aside. It's fine now, isn't it?
Uncle, I've debugged the machine.
Not bad, not bad. Xiao Hao, young man, you should have the courage to take responsibility. Unlike some people, who take my high salary but shirk responsibility all day.
Hurry and take it for inspection.
Still defective. It can't pass infrared inspection at all.
Not bad, Xiao Hao has skill, has responsibility and drive. Today, I officially promote him to engineer ahead of schedule. From now on, this machine will be maintained by you. How about that? Anyone have any objections?
Factory director, this machine is a German imported A7. It has always been Engineer Lin's responsibility. Switching people rashly might not be a good idea.
What's wrong with it? You old-timers, you're just stuck in your old ways. Afraid to give young people a chance. You saw it today, Xiao Hao effortlessly debugged this machine. Doesn't that say it all?
Uncle, rest assured, this machine, I studied it in books. I'll definitely maintain it well.
Ha ha ha, see. Alright, I now officially declare.
This product failed inspection. This product failed inspection. Boss, it didn't pass the infrared test, this batch. They're all defective, going to be scrapped.
That's impossible.
Aren't these the same as the previous finished products? Is the testing equipment broken?
Impossible. Maybe we should get Lin Wei to take a look.
Lin Wei again. Can you fix this?
I swear I calibrated everything. How is it still failing?
Useless. Director Lee, go get Lin Wei.
Okay, I'm on it. Engineer Lin. We have another problem. Come take a look.
No matter what happens later, we need to learn Lin Wei's technique.
Uncle, don't worry. I'm a college graduate. I just got here, so I'm not familiar yet. That's why I couldn't figure it out right away. Lin Wei's skills are nothing special. I can learn them just by looking once.
Oh, my dear young lady, can you hurry up?
What's the rush? Isn't there someone over there who knows how to calibrate the machine?
Fine.
Lin Wei, take a look. Why is this batch still failing? What's wrong with the machine?
Okay. This part has a ring of burrs. The core pressure sensor isn't fully calibrated.
The machine isn't fixed yet. Where are you going?
You only asked me to find the problem. You didn't ask me to solve it.
Can you solve this?
The teacher didn't teach that.
And he calls himself a college graduate, a technical talent.
Exactly. This A7 unit. If we ask him to fix it, the whole production line will be done for.
You said it.
Useless. Ah, well then, the appointment of Zhang Hao just now is temporarily cancelled. This machine will still be Lin Wei's responsibility. Go check what else is wrong.
Okay.
Engineer Lin. Why are you so slow today?
Director Lee. The manual says, we have to use an infrared thermometer, record 3 readings, and take the average.
Oh, come on, there's no time for that now. You usually don't need to follow the manual step by step, right? For this zero drift, you can just touch it with your hand and get a pretty close estimate. Now we have all these workers waiting. If we don't get this done, our production won't be completed.
Are you deliberately slacking off? I order you to speed up. If production is affected, you'll be held accountable.
Lin Wei, why aren't you hurrying up?
Director. Factory Rule 5 states, must strictly follow the operating procedures for equipment. No rule of thumb methods are allowed. I'm just following the factory rules. Director, these are the rules you set. I wouldn't dare to break them. If you deduct another 100,000 from me, I'll have nothing to eat.
You.
What are you laughing at? Who laughed?
Get back to work.
Almost there, almost there. Just one last step left.
Why hasn't the equipment restarted yet? Lin Wei, are you slacking off? If production is delayed, can you bear the responsibility?
Director, I'm following the company's arrangement to perform the annual calibration of the core pressure sensor. This process is inherently complex. Director Lee can vouch for that.
This annual calibration is indeed complex. But now it's just the last step, just data finalization, and we're done.
Then hurry up even more.
Hey, Engineer Lin, what are you doing?
I'm off work. I'm off work.
What? We're clearly just one step away. What's the rush? Do you have to leave now?
Yeah, Engineer Lin, just stay one more minute. Just 1 minute. Save the data before you go.
Sorry, Director Lee, it's already after hours. The manual says, no operation of precision instruments during off-duty hours, to avoid safety accidents. These are factory rules. This morning, the factory director earnestly instructed us. How could you forget?
You're determined to defy me, aren't you? Using my own words against me, you really think this factory can't run without you?
Even if you quit, there are plenty willing to do your job. You think you're something special?
All right then.
Then go find someone competent to do it.
As for me, I'm leaving early.
Who told you to shut down the power? You shut down the power, and now we have to reboot the equipment, recalibrate everything. I think you're deliberately crossing me.
Director, how can you say that? How could I possibly deliberately defy you? The factory rules state, after work, no precision instruments may be operated, to avoid damage and no one taking responsibility. Director, are you trying to make me break the rules you personally set?
You.
Uncle, calm down. Calm down, it's not that serious.
Get out of my face. Lin Wei, you just wait.
Wei, if you keep this up, the director will definitely make things hard for you. I heard his nephew is related to the group's CEO. You can't beat him.
They've already made things hard for me. What else do I have to fear?
What about the production line? That Zhang Hao doesn't have any hands-on experience. At this rate, all of Master's hard work will be ruined.
Shaolin, I've worked at this factory my whole life. From when it was first built, unknown and obscure, to now, reaching this scale, I just want our factory. I just want our factory to always maintain world-class standards.
Master, it will. Senior brother, if you want to protect something, you first have to make those who want to destroy it feel the pain.
No wonder Master said you're like him. That stubborn streak is exactly the same.
Take a look at this. Why are there so many defects? Why are there so many burrs on this one? This is scrap, you know that. And this one. The size is wrong. Can't you see that? And this one, what's going on? How are you guys handling this? What's this? Useless. A whole week. Our defect rate has increased by 30%. 30%.
Oh.
Is this the production standard expected of our Zilong Group factory? Our partner, the Bosch Group in Germany, has already noticed this. If they cancel orders, our entire factory will go down with it.
Uncle. Director Zhang, this isn't our fault. We've been following the factory rules and strict standards. It's because some people are playing tricks behind our backs, bringing shame to our factory.
Engineer Zhang. What do you mean? Who's playing tricks? And who hasn't followed the rules? Just say it. I'll be the first to disagree.
I know. Some of you have issues with the new rules I just announced. But let me tell you, if an enterprise wants to grow, it needs strict discipline.
Well said. The director is the director. I'm willing to support everyone in following the rules. Any violation will not be tolerated.
Starting today, I demand that all of you show dedication, work overtime voluntarily to make up for the lost production. Lin Wei, you're the senior engineer, a technical backbone. You need to take the lead.
The director means he wants me to lead the overtime.
That's right, it's an order.
Fine.
You agreed?
Of course, I support all of the director's orders. Overtime. No problem. However, according to Article 41 of the Labor Law, when employers arrange overtime, they must, per Siagwo regulations, pay overtime wages to workers. Article 44 states overtime on statutory holidays is no less than 300% of the wage. Weekend overtime should also be compensated with time off. If time off isn't possible, overtime pay must be no less than 200% of the wage. May I ask, Director, which standard are we following? As long as the standards are clear, I'm willing to lead by example and work overtime. I believe the workers would be happy to do the same.
Are you bargaining with me? Do you have any sense of collective honor?
Of course I do. But in my eyes, there's also the labor law and the factory rules set by the director. Since lateness should be heavily fined, then overtime should be compensated. That's called following the rules. Director, aren't you the one who loves following rules? How can you call it bargaining?
I think you are clearly holding a grudge against me for deducting your 100,000 yuan year-end bonus.
Let me say a few words. Our company has rules and regulations, but we're also a collective. This order is about the survival of our factory. What others are unwilling to do, I'll do it. And what others can't do, I'll do it too. For the factory, I'll take the lead. I'll work overtime for the factory.
Good. Ha ha ha. Well said. This is the attitude our factory should have. You should applaud Zhang Hao's behavior. With applause. Ah ha ha ha. We must resolutely eliminate selfishness that separates from the collective.
Lin Wei, wait a moment. The core rotating shaft of the production line has developed periodic vibrations. Maybe you could stay and fix it first. If it breaks, the entire production line will be ruined. The factory was your master's lifelong dedication. You can't just stand by and do nothing.
That's true. Then may I ask, Director Lee, do I get overtime pay?
Well.
If there's no overtime pay, then I can't help either. My master taught me many principles, but he never said to work for the company for free.
But
Director Lee, just leave these minor issues to me.
you can.
I found some classmates to fix this production line. Absolutely no problem. Don't mind that pretentious woman.
Did you hear that, Director Lee? Since someone volunteered, why do you need me?
Pretentious. Once I have control of the whole production line, I'll kick you out first, huh?
What's going on? How did this happen?
Lin Wei, something's wrong.
What's wrong?
Zhang Hao not only didn't solve the problem,
But also the A7 application. Accidentally deleted it.
Where's Lin Wei? Where is Lin Wei? Go get Lin Wei for me.
Wei, this is the lifelong work of the master. If the production line is destroyed, Bosch Group will demand hundreds of millions in compensation from us.
Brother, I know you're anxious, but it's after work hours.
No. Wei, at a time like this, are you really going to fight Zhang Tao and the others to the bitter end?
Brother, it's not that I want to fight them, I'm just following his rules. Isn't that right?
Then what about the master's life work?
Don't worry, brother, I just want to use this method to protect the master's life work.
Alright then, you rest well.
MMM.
Tell me quickly, has the machine been fixed all night? Any results? Say something. Lin Wei, stop right there. What kind of work attitude is that? Last night on the production line, such a big incident happened. Why didn't you come? Are you intentionally retaliating? Is that it?
Factory manager, may I ask? Do I still get a year-end bonus?
What did you say?
I'm sorry, then why should I work overtime?
You've got guts.
Wei, I think the factory manager is really angry. Be careful, he might retaliate against you.
It's fine, I'm just afraid he'll be so angry that he does something even more stupid. Let's go.
You, Lin Wei, who does she think she is? Isn't she just a lowly technician? I don't believe it. I don't believe I can't take her down.
calm down, uncle. This, Lin Wei. Isn't she just relying on her knowledge? That's why she's so cocky. We can have her write a report about her daily work. We'll operate the equipment according to the report. Then, we can get rid of her, right?
That's one way. As long as we master all the equipment procedures and hold them in our hands, we won't need her anymore. My motherland and me. Lin Wei, in view of the recent problems with our factory's equipment across the board, you, as the technical backbone of the factory, should set an example. You need to write a report on the comprehensive optimization of all equipment processes on the production line. It's your job anyway. Before the end of today, it must be submitted to me.
Wei, I think he's deliberately making things hard for you. He just wants you to work overtime. Otherwise, he'll charge you with dereliction of duty.
It's okay, it's just a report.
What's this?
Isn't this the report on comprehensive optimization of the production line that the director asked me to write? Regarding the current low efficiency issues of the production line, low efficiency issues, core problem analysis, 1, core problem, long-term poor maintenance causing performance degradation of key equipment, direct causes, 2, direct causes. Recent multiple unauthorized operations by non-professionals have disrupted the stability of the core system. 3. Suggestions, immediately stop non-professionals from accessing core equipment, and recertify the operators.
What kind of report is this? You're clearly using this to criticize me. I'm warning you, if you continue to slack off like this, I'll use this charge to formally fire you. What kind of attitude is that? Last night, the production line had such a major incident. Why didn't you come? Are you deliberately retaliating? Is that it? I'm warning you, if you keep slacking off like this, I'll use that as grounds to officially fire you.
Firing me is fine, as long as I get severance.
You recorded that?
After all the care the factory director has shown me, Did you really think I wouldn't come prepared? Director, my report is done. I'll head off now.
Lin Wei, you. Don't think I can't handle you.
There's definitely something off with the machine coordinates now.
Hey, everyone, hold up. Let me say a few words. Given our factory's recent slow production efficiency and increasing defect rate, I believe the reason is that our tech backbone isn't competent enough. They haven't been doing their jobs, so I have to take remedial measures. This here is an engineer we poached from our rival, Haoshan Group, with a high salary, Expert Qian. Let's give him a round of applause. Welcome. From now on, all technical issues in our factory will be under his full responsibility. If any of you have questions, feel free to come and ask him.
Another college grad, Zhang Hao, another technical engineer, Expert Qian. Looks like Director Zhang is determined to find someone to replace you.
It's fine. Having more talent in the factory is a good thing. I just wonder how much this Expert Qian actually knows.
Lin Wei, from now on, he'll take your place as the factory's technical engineer.
Haha, Director Zhang is too kind. Since I've joined the factory, I'm eager to get to work, to contribute to our factory's development.
Well said. Truly an expert. You're thinking about work from day one.
It's my duty.
All of you should learn from him. This is what an exemplary employee looks like. Expert.
Good.
I checked, this Expert Qian doesn't have a great reputation. He likes to brag.
Senior brother, let him brag. A strong wind might make him bite his tongue.
Done. All right, it's done.
The machine's working normally now. As expected from Expert Qian, just like that, he fixed the machine.
Equipment like this, it's all pretty similar. And German-made equipment, the control logic is rigid. It doesn't suit Xiaoguo's operating habits at all. Equipment like this, I just need to familiarize myself once.
Then we'll have to trouble you more often, Expert Qian. Sure thing. Lin Wei, from now on, the machines in this workshop, you don't need to operate them anymore. Just get out of here.
Oh, some people think they're one of a kind, that no one can touch them. But actually, they're completely useless. They might as well go somewhere else and cool off.
Come. After you, Expert Qian.
These code comments use a kind of that only me and my master can understand customary notation. If you want to casually crack it, you'll need to have the skills. Expert Qian, get on with it. Everyone's waiting for you to fix the machine and start work. From now on, you'll be our workshop's technical backbone. What did you say? We'll do exactly as you say.
You think I needed you to say that? Expert Qian has his own pace. Right, Expert Qian?
Ahaha, let me take a look here. This LW module, I've never heard of it before.
What did you say? Factory manager.
Factory manager, Bosch Group is urging via email. They're asking us about the LW optimization module's latest operational data. They say this is the key to whether they place additional orders. They need our reply today. No delays.
The LW module, that's the module for this machine. Expert Qian, take a look.
This S7 module has a lot of things I've never seen, especially this LW module. It's not in the manual at all. Are you kidding me?
80% of our factory's orders are from Bosch Group. If we don't reply today, we'll be in trouble.
Hey, factory manager. This trouble you're talking about, are you saying I caused it? Who designed this module? Let him come out and fix it, simple as that. This module, only the designer and operator know it best.
Lin Wei again.
What the hell? Lin Wei. Did you mess with this? Explain that module thing right now. If we delay Bosch's order, can you take responsibility?
The LW module is a power optimization and precision compensation system. It's specifically designed to match Bosch's batch of custom products. I remember the computational model for this module has already been shared in the engineering community. What? Expert Qian, a big name in the field like you haven't heard of it.
Of course, I've heard of it. It's just that I couldn't recall it at the moment. Since the model is already public, I'll look up the info tonight, and I'll definitely find a solution.
See, I told you. A mediocre engineer like Lin Wei can solve problems like that. To our expert Qian, it's a piece of cake, right?
Right.
Exactly. Thanks to expert Qian, if we relied on some people, our factory would be doomed.
Well then, we'll wait and see. Expert Qian.
What? You mean that guy I fired, the one named Qian, that so-called expert? He went to Xiaolong Machinery Factory.
Yes. He just reported for duty today.
He's nothing but a fraud with a facade. And Xiaolong has someone like Lin Wei, a top-tier expert. Why would they spend a fortune to hire someone I fired, a useless fraud? Go check it out immediately. We must not let Lin Wei, the best engineer in Daxia, suffer injustice.
Yes.
In your own temple. You have a great Buddha and don't worship him properly. Xiaolong Machinery Factory doesn't deserve Miss Lin, a top talent like her. Explain, give me a clear explanation.
Uncle, don't be angry, calm down.
Why? Why are all the machines in our factory suddenly down? I'm telling you, Bosch has already found out about this. Tomorrow they'll send a representative to check. By then, if our production line isn't back up, I'll have to pay them tens of millions.
I was thinking of bypassing that LW module thing, forcibly modifying the system core code, but I didn't expect the entire assembly line system to get completely locked down.
Didn't you say you were an expert in this area? I hired you with a high salary, and this is what you have to say.
It's Lin Wei. She must have deliberately set up a protection system in the system code that caused our system to completely crash. We can't let her off easy.
Let her off? How do we let her off? Right now, what's most important to us is the Bosch Group's order. Only Lin Wei can solve this problem. Everyone else is useless. Let her off, let her off. How do we let her off? Spit it out. Lin Wei, I admit I was wrong, okay. About the year-end bonus earlier, it was impulsive of me. It was my fault? How much do you want? Name your price. As long as you can get this production line running, I'm willing to pay you double. 200,000. How about it?
Director Zhang. Talking about money now isn't really appropriate, is it?
You name the conditions. As long as I can do it, I'll meet them.
All right. I only have one condition. Hold a company-wide meeting at the same place where you humiliated me that day, and for making an example of me, publicly apologize to me, Lin Wei. And also give me the 100,000 yuan year-end bonus that was withheld, not a cent less.
Lin Wei. Don't go too far.
Back then, at that place, in front of so many people, using a drop of rat droppings to describe me. Why didn't you say I was going too far?
You.
I have only this one request. Take it or leave it.
Impossible. Lin Wei. You just wait. Tomorrow, Bosch Group will send someone over. If this production line doesn't get fixed, we're all going to be held responsible. If you still want to survive in this industry, figure something out.
I have a way. We can take the LW module and delete it completely, then reprogram a new set of code.
Are you sure that'll work?
Easy. I guarantee it. Before the Bosch reps come tomorrow, it'll be done. It won't disrupt their visit at all.
That makes sense. As long as we can reprogram it, I can get rid of the LW module. I won't have to take orders from her anymore.
That's right, Uncle. We'll kick her out of the factory then, let her be arrogant.
Wei, they've lost their minds. Zhang Tao has that engineer Qian and his team format the entire system.
Really?
Huh? You saw this coming?
They want to push me out. They'll try everything they can to get rid of me. I just didn't expect it would come this soon.
They want to rewrite the core module from scratch. The factory director doesn't know. But that damn Qian doesn't engineer Qian understand? The hardware drivers for this equipment are based on the LW deep customization. Once it's formatted, it's just scrap metal.
Let them do it. Tomorrow, when the Bosch people arrive, they'll regret it.
Today's program is good, right? I'm leaving the operation to you.
Coming. Director Zhang, the Bosch reps are here.
Welcome, Mr. Schneider.
Director Zhang, I have come today on behalf of the Bosch Group to deliver an ultimatum to your Xialong Group. If within today, the factory can't resume production, the Bosch Group will unilaterally terminate all cooperation agreements and initiate an 8-figure euro compensation claim.
Mr. Schneider, our factory has recently had a troublemaker intentionally causing problems. But rest assured, we've had the system program reprogrammed, guaranteeing that today the production line will run normally.
Really?
I assure you, please. Mr. Schneider, here is our production line.
Why hasn't it started?
Start it up. What's going on? What's going on? Aren't you gonna go check it out?
Why can't I get it to work? All the equipment is totally fried.
What? So this is what you wanted me to see? The equipment's down, orders can't be fulfilled.
No, that's not it.
Director Zhang, if you can't give me a reasonable explanation, we'll see you in court.
Uncle, are you okay?
We're doomed. If the company finds out I just took office and lost the Bosch Group, such a big client, what am I gonna do?
My future's ruined. Uncle, take it easy. Let's just talk to that German again, calmly.
It's her. She's the one who caused all this. That's Lin Wei. She's our factory's only senior engineer. But she often disregards work discipline, coming late and leaving early, slacking off. Everything today is entirely her fault.
Yeah, that's right. This slacking off woman ignored the production line equipment being damaged, which led to the breakdown. She should take full responsibility.
Zhang Hao, base your words on facts. All along, Wei has been clocking in and out on time. You're the one who pretended to know and caused this mess.
Why did she never teach me how to use the equipment? As a technician hired by the factory, she never showed me how to operate it, never guided me on the job. So it's only natural that I made some mistakes at work, right?
Even if Lin Wei saw Zhang Hao making some minor mistakes, she turned a blind eye. This is clearly deliberate damage to the factory's interests, and as the factory director, I certainly won't tolerate such misconduct. So, she retaliated like a maniac. sabotaging the production line, rendering it useless. Mr. Schneider, today the production line collapsed. She is the real culprit.
Excuse me, are you teacher Lin Wei? Excuse me, are you teacher Lin Wei?
That's right, it's her. She's an employee at our factory. But she never followed the factory's labor discipline, derangedly sabotaged this production line, and that's why our schedule got delayed. But Mr. Schneider, rest assured, today I will, on behalf of the factory, root out this poison, ensuring our future cooperation can proceed steadily.
Factory Director Zhang, I see you're just shifting blame, trying to pin it on Wei Wei. Wei Wei, say something. They tried to bypass the LW module with brute force, which caused this. You had nothing to do with it.
It's because Lin Wei, relying on herself knowing a bit about the LW module, used it as leverage to extort the factory. So we had no choice but to format the module. This outcome, it's all her fault.
Right. If this module hadn't been maliciously reprogrammed, I wouldn't have failed, causing this mess. It's not my fault.
Lin Wei, because of your slack work, you've caused irreparable damage to our factory. Today, on behalf of the factory, I formally fire you. You, right now, immediately get out of this factory. Security, security.
Throw her out.
I don't need you to bother. I'll leave on my own.
Wait.
Mr. Schneider, rest assured, our company will fully represent your company and sue this Lin Wei, and also guarantee that our future cooperation won't be affected.
What are you standing there for? I said wait, didn't you hear? Teacher Lin, long time no see. I didn't expect to run into you here. Teacher Lin, long time no see. I didn't expect to run into you here.
This.
What? The chief representative of Bosch Group, Mr. Schneider, calling engineer Lin, teacher.
Wei Wei, do you already know Mr. Schneider?
Mr. Schneider. Are you mistaken? She's just a minor engineer at our factory. How could she be worthy of being your?
You think I wouldn't recognize my own teacher?
You are.
Professor Lin, you may not know me, but 3 years ago, the online technical lecture you gave at the Technical University of Munich, I was there attending it as well. Your lecture was incredibly enlightening.
Engineer Lin, is that impressive? She gave a technical lecture at the Technical University of Munich?
Impressive.
Factory Director Zhang, just now you said you were going to fire Professor Lin.
Mr. Schneider, there's something you don't know. She violated factory rules, was slacking off, and caused the production line to stop.
We're just following the rules.
How ridiculous. Do you have any idea that the person standing in front of you is the sole holder of the patent for the LW optimization module and the core system of the entire production line? You're saying Professor Lin would slack off?
What? She's the sole holder of the core patent technology for the entire production line? How is that possible?
Oh my god.
No wonder Engineer Lin is so good. So the core patent for this production line is hers.
I knew it. No matter the problem, as soon as Engineer Lin steps in, it gets fixed right away.
Right, impossible. She's just a lowly engineer. How could she be the patent holder of the production line's core system?
That's right.
You two are really idiots.
Impossible. Well, take a look then. This is my patent certificate.
Even if you have a patent certificate, so what? It could be fake.
Right, Mr. Schneider, don't let her fool you. We know exactly who she is.
Fake. You really don't use your brain when you talk. This is a screenshot from the patent office's website. You think I can make the patent office forge a document for me? Bye.
A bunch of idiots. If you had paid attention, you would have noticed that the letters LW in the module are the initials of Master Lin's name.
That module was something I developed independently based on my master's original work. It's a power optimization and precision compensation system, specifically designed to match the Bosch Group's customized products. And I provided it to the factory for free, just free use.
Impossible. This can't be.
It's the truth. Since you fired Teacher Lin, our cooperation is no longer necessary.
Oh no, Mr. Schneider, we can't cancel the cooperation, even if she is the sole holder of the core patent technology. It doesn't affect our cooperation.
I see you still don't get it. Calling you stupid is an understatement.
What do you mean?
You probably don't know that our Bosch Group chose your Xialong machinery factory because our technical team found that your production line uses Teacher Lin's LW module. Only Teacher Lin's technology is the sole reason we chose your factory. The only reason. We believe that only Teacher Lin can perfectly meet our strict requirements for product precision. And now, you've fired Teacher Lin. Our cooperation, what's the point?
Do you understand? All along, the orders you've been proud of and the capital for climbing up were all because of me. Not what you call connections and background. Nor the hardware in this factory. Zhang Dao, it's time to settle accounts.
You should think carefully about how to explain to President Chen. The production line shutdown has caused huge losses to our Bosch Group. Just wait to pay a huge penalty.
No. Engineer Lin, oh no, Engineer Lin, we were wrong. We were wrong. Please be magnanimous and don't stoop to our level. Forgive us.
Engineer Lin, I was blind. Please restore the production line quickly. If the order gets cancelled, we're finished.
Your company's rules aren't very strict. You just said I was slacking off and wanted to fire me. Now you're begging me. What's that about? And what consequences will you face? What's that got to do with me?
Engineer Lin, I'm on my knees for you. I'm begging you, if you come back and just restore the production line, I'll agree to any request you have.
Any request?
Yes, as long as you come back, I'll promise you anything.
I'm sorry, it's too late. You made things hard for me.
When you were about to fire me.
Didn't you think this day would come?
You're still messing with me.
I am messing with you. What can you do about it? I already gave you a chance. You just didn't appreciate it. Bath. Mr. Schneider, I know that batch of products is extremely important to you. I have a way to help you.
Teacher Lin, what are your conditions? As long as you can solve my problem, our Bosch Group can meet all your demands.
I wish to cooperate with your company. However, not as an employee of Xialong Machinery Factory. After all, just now I was already fired.
Teacher Lin, please go ahead.
I hope that, in the name of Bosch Group, the headquarters of Xialong Machinery Factory, will meet my 3 conditions.
Teacher Lin, what 3 conditions?
First, let him and his nephew Zhang Hao leave the factory immediately, right now. They don't deserve to stay here. Second, I hope that the headquarters of Xialong Machinery Factory will compensate me for the insults and defamation that Zhang Tao subjected me to. 500,000 in damages. Third, I will, as an independent technical consultant, provide technical support for restoring the production line. However, my fee is, on an hourly basis, 10,000 RMB per hour. Until the production line passes inspection.
10,000 per hour? Are you crazy?
Why don't you just rob us?
Then go ask Mr. Chen if he's willing to agree. Compared to paying a huge penalty, I think Mr. Chen would be more willing to pay my price.
Manager Zhang, Wei is worth this price. You brought in from outside the so-called money expert, and he's not cheap either, right?
Miss Lin, I fully agree with all your conditions. I'll go talk to President Chen right away. I believe President Chen should know how to decide.
Uncle.
President Chen, I've already laid out the situation. Now either meet all of Miss Lin's conditions, or our cooperation ends. We'll see you in court. President Chen's choice should be obvious, don't you think? We don't want to make this ugly either. After all, we'd rather have the product produced normally.
President Chen, you don't have to look at me like that. Everything today is their own fault. It has nothing to do with me. I suggest you better think it over. Once you lose the Bosch Group, a world-class client, not only will you have to pay a huge penalty, but it could also affect your company's reputation in the industry. On one side, it's an unknown like me, a female engineer, making unreasonable demands. On the other side, it's just a favor for a relative. This choice, for a qualified businessman, shouldn't be that hard, right? Don't you think so, President Chen?
Okay. Okay. On behalf of the group, I accept your 3 conditions. $500,000 in compensation will be transferred to your account within an hour. As for Zhang Tao, effective immediately, he is removed from all positions in the group, pending further action. Zhang Hao is fired directly and blacklisted across the industry.
Uncle.
President Chen, you made the right choice. What are you waiting for? They've been fired already. Throw them out now.
Cousin, I'm sorry.
A parasite like President Chen, I hope your company will be more strict from now on. Don't let it cause more trouble and affect our cooperation.
Mr. Schneider, I don't need you to remind me of that. I'll take care of my own employees. Engineer Lin, on behalf of the group, for Zhang Tao's major mistake at work, a serious error, I apologize deeply. I also hope you can see the big picture and restore the production line soon.
President Chen, you pay, I'll work. I'll do my best. This is my master's life's work. I will never let a scumbag like him ruin it.
Okay. I'll come to the factory personally later and discuss it in detail with you.
All right.
Okay.
Good. Wei, back when Master had us work overnight in the lab doing calculations, he said you'd make it big someday. I didn't know you were hiding it so well.
Engineer Lin, I used to think you were too humble, but now I see you're a true master who doesn't flaunt it.
I'll leave on my own. I'm leaving. Get out. Can't you be more careful?
Uncle, what do we do now?
Don't worry, I'll figure something out. Lin Wei, you just wait. Don't get too cocky. I'll be back.
I'll come back and kill you.
Let's go. Engineer Lin, you're amazing. Even Director Zhang got fired.
Yeah, we were so fed up with them. Ever since they came, they acted like know-it-alls, giving lousy orders, and we were exhausted.
Great. From now on, we can work regular hours.
All right, once I've prepared everything and get the line back up, we'll all have plenty to do.
Okay, then we'll get back to work. Okay.
Let's go.
Mr. Schneider, thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. We are in a win-win partnership. After all, we don't want to lose the opportunity to work with Professor Lin. Only you can produce products that satisfy us. I hope Professor Lin can restore the production line soon. I'm looking forward to your good news.
Okay.
It's back up.
The system is restored.
Good.
Whenever Wei steps in, the problem is solved in no time.
Even though the system is back, we still need to run a full check again. Expert Qian tampered with it, so I'm afraid the program might have errors. Xiao Wang, restart the drive module of servo motor 3, please. Xiao Li, get the tech to verify the stability of the high voltage supply circuit. Xiao Lu, set the hydraulic station pressure to 7.5 megapascals.
This is Teacher Lin. She works meticulously, methodically. It's practically an art. With a team like this, you can produce quality products.
Wei Wei has grown up. She can take charge on her own. The master's hard work is preserved.
The production line is back online. Good, good.
The production line is restored. Thank you all for your hard work. Now get back to your stations. Let's get to work.
Start work. Let's go, start work.
Mr. Schneider, please.
Master Lin, thanks to you.
Mr. Schneider, this is the production line. The newly produced products. Would you like to test them yourself?
This is amazing. The yield rate. It's actually 100%. Compared to the previous products, the qualified ones are 0.01 micrometers more precise. Teacher Lin, you are amazing. I told you. Any product from Teacher Lin definitely has no quality issues.
I'm just using my expertise to do what I should.
You. Are you useless or what? I'm telling you, don't cause trouble, don't cause trouble. Look what you've done.
Cousin, it's not entirely my fault. I didn't expect that little brat, a mere engineer, to have so many tricks.
I'm telling you, for now, you better behave.
We're just letting this go. That little brat, but she is the sole holder of the core patent technology for the entire production line.
Enough. I have my plans.
Good morning, Junior.
Engineer Lin, you're still here so early.
Engineer Lin, this factory really can't do without you. Otherwise, we'd all have to take a break.
Yeah. Engineer Lin, that Zhang Tao, he's really a piece of work. He even docked your year-end bonus. He has no idea how much you've given to this factory.
All right. Things are already in the past. Everyone, get back to work.
Got it.
That's not right. This where log. Why is it abnormal? Senior, quick, tell everyone to stop working. Shut down the machines.
Wei Wei, what's wrong?
No time to explain, hurry.
Everyone, stop working. Shut down the machines. Shut down. Hurry, shut down. Wei Wei, what's going on?
Oh no. Something happened, hurry.
What's wrong?
Are you okay? Are you injured? No.
Engineer Lin. What's going on here?
There's something wrong with the machine. Take it apart and inspect it.
Wei Wei, how is this possible? Wei Wei, how is this possible? This drive shaft. This supposed to be a German original and it's made of top grade chrome moly alloy steel.
Designed to last 20 years.
It's only been 5 years. How could it end up like this?
Old Lou. Bring the spectrometer over.
Engineer Lin. Here it is.
That's wrong. This isn't chrome moly alloy steel. This is the most common 45 carbon steel. Its strength and wear resistance are not even 1/10 of the original genuine part.
A bait and switch. If something goes wrong, the lives of everyone in the factory will be at stake.
This shoddy drive shaft. During high-speed operation. Once it breaks, The flying fragments are as powerful as cannon shells, enough to level half the workshop to the ground.
This Zhang Tao is such a scumbag. He's trying to kill us, the lives of the whole factory.
This Zhang Tao has been quietly replacing parts on the sly. I never thought he'd risk lives for money.
No wonder last month the machines kept making strange noises.
If that bastard were here,
I'd shove his head into the gears.
Zhang Tao, I was originally going to let you off. I didn't expect you to do something like this. I'll make you pay. Senior, secure the scene immediately. Get the inspection reports and the factory's procurement records all pulled out. I need to send them to President Chen of the group and Mr. Schneider.
Okay, I'll do it right now.
Everyone, rest assured. This matter, I will definitely give everyone an explanation. I'll make him pay for what he has done. Pay the price. Mr. Schneider, this is very serious. To get kickbacks, they use cheap domestic parts to replace the original German imported core components. And they treated the workers' lives as a joke. I'll make them pay.
Miss Lin, I'll handle this urgently. I will not allow my suppliers to have such problems.
Then I'll leave it to you, Mr. Schneider.
Cousin, you wanted to see me.
You dare to come.
Cousin.
Look at what you've done.
What's going on? Cousin, let me explain.
There's nothing to explain. They have solid evidence. I mean, usually taking a little kickback is one thing.
But safety stuff.
You dare to mess with that? You've got some nerve.
Cousin, I was wrong. I was blinded by greed. I didn't expect such a big problem, cousin.
What good is admitting it? They've already sued you. You're going to rot in jail. Cousin.
I don't want to go to jail. Please help me. Cousin.
How can I help you? Let me tell you, this is a crime. If this isn't handled properly, the company will suffer huge losses. You know that? This is your doing. You take full responsibility, got it?
Cousin.
Guards.
Cousin, save me.
Take him away.
Please, cousin, save me. Cousin, save me. I don't want to go to jail, cousin.
Mr. Chen, Mr. Schneider and Engineer Lin are here. They're in the reception room.
Mr. Schneider, Engineer Lin, sorry to keep you waiting.
Mr. Chen, you should know why I'm here.
Yes. This was our mistake. We're working on it. I assure you that your company and the workers will get a satisfactory resolution.
It better be. After all, we're old friends. We don't want to let this kind of thing spoil our relationship. This matter is not just a quality issue, but a safety issue. If in the future something like this happens again, my company, Bosch, will never do business with your company again.
You can rest assured. We are implementing comprehensive reforms. I promise it won't happen again.
Mr. Chen, I need an explanation from you.
Engineer Lin, Zhang Tao has been sent to the police station. With solid evidence, he has received severe punishment by the law.
That's not enough.
Engineer Lin, do you have any other requests? As long as you name it, I'll make sure it's done.
I need you to compensate every worker in the factory $50,000 each.
50,000 per person? That's too much.
This is compensation for emotional distress. If I hadn't discovered the problem in time, the factory's losses now would be far more than that. What, Mr. Chen, can't you even afford this little money?
Engineer Lin, this is a bit of a shakedown. I can pay compensation, but not that much.
$50,000, not a cent less. If you can't, the production line won't be resumed. Weigh the pros and cons. Weigh the pros and cons. Mr. Chen, you decide.
Fine. I agree. But you must resume production as soon as possible.
Don't worry, Mr. Chen. As soon as the new drive shaft arrives, the production line will be back online immediately. I'll leave you to it, Mr. Chen. I'm heading back to the factory.
Mr. Chen, I'll be going too.
Okay, take care. Lin Wei. Well, Lin Wei.
The system optimization is done.
Everyone, stop for a moment. Gather around. Everyone received their money, right?
Yes, Engineer Lin is amazing. She managed to get us such a large compensation.
Right, now my daughter's tuition is covered. Thank you, Engineer Lin.
Over the years, you've all worked hard for the factory. This is what you deserve. From now on, you can focus on your work.
Great.
The system optimization has been completed. Today, I'll need everyone to work a bit late. Let's get the production line back up as soon as possible. Don't let Mr. Schneider's order be affected. After all, Mr. Schneider has done a lot for us.
Okay. No problem, Engineer Lin.
Let's start.
Take care.
You've all worked hard lately. Keep up the good work, everyone. Go ahead.
Master Lin, you are truly amazing. With your optimization, overall efficiency has increased by 15%. Energy consumption has dropped by 10%. That's great. This way, this batch of products will surely be delivered ahead of schedule.
And this is to live up to Mr. Schneider's trust.
Alright, I've decided. Bosch Group will, on the basis of the existing order, add another 50 million euros worth of long-term strategic cooperation agreement.
Mr. Schneider, about adding the order, I still hope you'll think it over carefully.
No need to consider. As long as Master Lin is here, there's no need to consider.
What did you say? Bosch Group is adding an order of 50 million euros.
Yes, President Chen. However, Mr. Schneider requires that Lin Wei, Engineer Lin, be the project's lifetime technical director. It must be written into the agreement.
Lin Wei. Prepare the car, I need to go to the factory immediately.
Okay, President Chen.
Xiao Lin. This is the company's additional compensation and bonus for you. This is the report on the handling of the Zhongtao incident.
The extra compensation and bonus are unnecessary. I'll only take what I deserve. But President Chen, you coming here in person today. Can't be just about this, right?
Xiao Lin, you're smart. There is indeed something else. This is the group's new appointment for you.
Deputy General Manager of Huaxia Branch. Director of Technical Production. That means, once I sign this contract, I will go from being an ordinary engineer to a senior executive of the group, with 3% dry shares of this factory.
That's right. Xiao Lin, you are indeed a technical genius. But technical skills alone aren't enough. You need a bigger platform to showcase your talents. And our Xialong group is exactly willing to be that platform for you. Of course, that idiot Zhang Tao is not fit to manage this factory of mine. A factory as big as mine should be managed by someone like you, a talent like you.
Once I sign, I'll have money, status, and power. But this, I can't accept. But this contract, I can't accept.
Why? Do you have any concerns? We can negotiate the money and shares.
It's not about that. I am an engineer. My joy lies in solving technical problems. In watching cold code turn into efficiently running machines.
Are you?
I don't accept this either.
Jiang Hao, those troublemakers, I've already sent them packing. Why are you still unwilling?
They may be gone, but as long as you, President Chen, are the general manager, those relatives and cronies will never be rooted out.
Lin Wei, have I been too nice to you?
Nice? Don't you just want to use these shares to steal my core technology? And then find a way to kick me out? Then I'd have nothing left. Isn't that right?
You. How do you know?
I just don't like office politics. But that doesn't mean I'm stupid.
Stop right there. Lin Wei, you can leave, but during your tenure, using the company's platform and resources, the core technology patents you developed must stay. Sign this technology transfer agreement, and you can go. Otherwise, you're not leaving this door.
President Chen, are you planning to rob me?
Even if I rob you, you have to take it. Sign it.
Those technologies are the result of my personal time. The patents clearly have my name on them, nothing to do with the company.
Without the company's platform and resources, how could you have gotten those things? Be smart and sign now, and we'll part on good terms. Otherwise, I have plenty of ways to make you unable to stand in the CS machinery industry. Besides, my Xiaolong Group is the top enterprise in Dacia. Once you leave here, is there any place that will take you in? Come on, grab her hand. Help her sign. Come on.
Let go. You guys let me go.
Hurry up.
Wow, it's lively in here.
Who are you? Who let you in?
Let me introduce myself. My name is Joe Bokian. I just acquired a machining plant. I'm here to consult with Miss Lin. What are you guys doing?
Oh, I remember now. You're the one who acquired the largest machining plant in Eastern Dacia, Mr. Joe. Right?
That's right. It's me. When I came in just now, I overheard some things Mr. Chen said. I disagree. First, Xiaolong Machinery is no longer the largest machinery plant in Dacia. Second, now that Miss Lin has left you, I will provide her with a bigger stage.
Joe, are you dead set on poaching people from me?
Your director Zhang has already fired Miss Lin.
You.
So what's this about poaching? I suggest you don't move. Miss Lin. Now we can go.
Lin Wei. Do you really want to leave? This is your master's life's work.
Don't worry. I'll be back. Just in a different way. Mr. Joe, thank you so much just now. If you hadn't shown up in time, I'm afraid.
You're too kind, Professor Lin. It was nothing. Besides, I sincerely admire your talent and integrity. Xiaolong Machinery Factory can't keep you, it's their loss. Professor Lin. Our country is in a tough spot. Foreign countries, in high-end precision manufacturing, especially lithography technology, have long imposed a blockade on us. I saw your expertise and saw hope, so I want to invite you to break it together. Let our country's manufacturing return to the top of the world.
Mr. Zhou, thank you for your trust and appreciation. Everything you just said is exactly what I, as an engineer, dream of. I accept this challenge. I'm willing to join.
That's great, Professor Lin. Welcome to Heavy Industry Machinery. Let's join hands and create the future together.
National Heavy Industry.
This will be our battlefield from now on.
Very nice.
Mr. Joe, who did you bring?
I heard Mr. Joe recently hired a technical expert. Must be her.
Fellow workers, let's pause what we're doing for a moment. I'd like to formally introduce a new colleague. Lin Wei, Engineer Lin. Engineer Lin is a leading top technical expert in our industry. From today, Engineer Lin will serve as our company's technical director and deputy general manager. She will be fully responsible for production processes and technology R&D. Let's give her a warm welcome.
Hello everyone, I'm Lin Wei. Please take care of me. Let's work hard together.
Oh, by the way, our factory in the near future will be negotiating cooperation with an international leading enterprise. They will send an expert team to conduct a comprehensive assessment of our factory, the production process and product pass rate. As long as we pass this assessment, we will secure this significant order. During this time, everyone might have to work a bit harder. Strictly control every step of the production quality. I promise you, once we land this order, everyone here will get a good bonus.
All right.
All right, everyone, get to your stations. Give it your best. Miss Lin, let's talk details in the studio.
Sure, Mr. Joe.
Come on in. Miss Lin, see if you need anything else. Just tell the admin department, they'll get it for you.
It's already great. Thank you, Mr. Zhou. Compared to when I was at Xiaolong, this is much better.
Miss Lin, this will be your battlefield. As for the lithography machine, the processing of critical components, I already have some initial ideas, especially the dual stage, and the ultra-precision rails for the objective system.
Exactly. The straightness and stability of the rails are key. Traditional materials and methods might no longer meet the requirements. I think we could consider. Look. The thickness of this product is about 0.5 microns, and this one is controlled at around 0.8 microns.
Bokayan.
Su Liangxue, what are you doing here?
Who is she? Why are you two so close?
Su Liangxu, watch your words. This is the factory office. This is Lin Wei, Miss Lin, the technical director we hired.
Hello.
Technical director. Such a young woman. Bokian, who are you kidding? Did she use some trick to cling to you?
Su Liangxue, I'll say this one last time. Miss Lin is a highly paid technical expert we hired. She's in charge of the core project in the factory. Your baseless suspicions are rude and offensive.
Bokian, you've never yelled at me like that. All for some woman of dubious background. Who are you kidding? I don't believe it.
Missu. Because I can solve the technical problems that even Mr. Joe couldn't solve, and because I can help the factory land a big order. Is that answer enough for you?
Bokian, I don't like her. Can you fire her? If you need money, I'll ask my dad to invest in you.
Hey, security. Come to my office. Escort Miss Su out. Also, without an appointment, no one is allowed to enter the core production office area.
Joe Bokian, just wait.
Professor Lin, I'm really sorry. She's the heiress of the Su Group.
President Joe. You don't need to explain your personal matters to me. Let's focus on work. Regarding the guide rail issue we just discussed, I think we could use a new type of composite material.
Sorry, Professor Lin. Time slipped away and it's already so late. I get carried away when discussing things. How about this? You must be hungry. Let me take you out for dinner. Consider it as an apology and also a welcome dinner.
That's too much trouble, President Joe. Let me finish running the simulation first. We'll see after the results come out. Dinner can wait. Work comes first.
Professor Lin, you can't work on an empty stomach. How about this? I'll go to the cafeteria and grab you a meal. Our factory chef is really good.
That's too much trouble, President Zhou. I'll go myself in a bit.
No, stay put, I'll go. It'll give me a chance to stretch my legs. Wait for me, I'll be right back.
Bokian must be angry that I interrupted his work. That's why he treated me like that. How could he like that kind of woman? She's not feminine at all. Yeah, that must be it.
Hey, did you see that? President Zhou just went to the cafeteria to get food himself.
Doesn't President Zhou usually eat out for business or at home? Why is he eating at the cafeteria today?
Who else? For the new director Lin, of course. I saw President Zhou carrying 2 lunchboxes and heading to the office building. So considerate.
President Zhou is... Hey, forget Director Lin. I think from now on we should call her the boss's wife. The way President Zhou looked at Director Lin today.
Boss's wife. She's not worthy. Lin Wei, right. Technical expert, right. Want to be the boss's wife. I'll make sure you can't stay. I'll ruin your reputation.
Hold on. Mr. Schmidt, this is the 7th batch sample, processed with our new technique. Look at the surface finish and edge treatment. They fully meet your company's 0.5 micron tolerance specified on the drawings.
Engineer Lin's skills, we trust. As we said before, wherever Engineer Lin is, our order goes. Engineer Lin, please explain this radial runout error, why it exceeds 1.2 microns. And this spot, what's this machining defect about?
That's impossible. Every step of our process undergoes strict self-inspection and spot checks and data recording. This can't be.
Mr. Schmidt, could it be that your instrument has occasional errors? Or, during transport, a minor bump? Engineer Lin is our boss, Mr. Zhou's highly paid technical expert. All that our factory now has, core programming processes are all handled by her. Logically, there shouldn't be such low-level mistakes.
My instrument was just calibrated. As for bumps, this is typical machining stress causing microcracks due to uneven release. Definitely not from transport. Unfortunately, Engineer Lin, the quality of this batch completely fails to meet our acceptance standards. Based on the current situation, I have to report to headquarters. I'm afraid this contract can't be signed.
Oh, no, Mr. Schmidt, please give us another chance. If this contract doesn't go through, what will happen to our factory? The workers' bonuses all depend on this order.
Why are you all crowding around? Get back to work.
Oh, I just heard that because someone's skills are lacking, they're just faking it, and caused our factory to lose an important order.
Really, Director Lin? Is this really your fault?
It's her, the new Director Lin. Her skills are just no good. Everything she makes is defective. Now she's made the expert unhappy, and the contract can't be signed. All of your bonuses are gone.
Miss Su is right. That's what the experts said. I never would have thought. President Zhou trusted her so much. Gave her the most important technical job in the whole factory. And now look what happened. How are we supposed to explain this to President Zhou, and to the whole factory, the workers counting on this bonus to feed their families?
All those overtime days wasted. Gone just like that.
If you don't have the skills, don't take this position. You hurt yourself and others. I'm still waiting to pay my kids' tuition.
Someone like her, how can she stay in our factory? Are we going to let her keep causing trouble, and leave us with nothing? We should all petition President Zhou to have her removed.
Yeah, kick her out.
Right. We can't let her ruin the factory.
Leave.
Get out now.
Leave the factory.
Everyone, quiet down. Director Lin, this has blown up so big, either you resign and apologize or you take responsibility properly. Face a few million, or even tens of millions in fines.
In my opinion, tens of millions won't cover her losses. So many workers' bonuses, can she afford to pay?
Exactly, hurry up and pay my bonus, it's all your fault.
If you hadn't come to this factory, this would never have happened.
What a jinx. I'm begging you, just get the hell out.
Lin Wei, aren't you so capable? Weren't you trying to seduce Zhou Boqian? Now you're the target of everyone's anger. Let's see how arrogant you can still be. Everyone sees it, right? She has nothing to say for herself. Let's go find President Zhou right now and get rid of this black sheep.
Stop. These components passed spot inspection half an hour ago. Now suddenly, there's a problem. Don't you all find that strange?
Yeah.
The surveillance camera there should have recorded just now. Who touched these components?
You. Stop talking nonsense. Who touched your lousy components? Clearly, when you were processing them, they already had issues.
That's right. That surveillance camera broke down a few days ago. It can't record anything. I say, Director Lin, stop making excuses, just admit your mistake.
Hey. Now, retrieve the surveillance from the finished product inspection area, and send it over right away. Also, check the maintenance logs for the surveillance cameras over the past 3 days. I'd like to see how the cameras were damaged.
Lin Wei, stop putting on airs. Don't think you can change the subject. This is all your fault. Don't try to shirk responsibility.
Everyone. I know some of you really need the money. But sorry, because of Director Lin's mistake, your bonuses are gone. Now she's trying to change the subject. Let's all unite and report her to Mr. Zhou.
What's wrong with you? She cost you your bonuses. Don't you want her gone?
I think Director Lin has a point. How exactly did this part break? Why not check the cameras? What if it's not her fault?
Of course we hate the one who cost us our bonuses.
But we shouldn't wrong an innocent person. That's what I think.
Let security check the footage.
I think she's brainwashed you. Director Lin damaging the part is a done deal. Can't you see that?
I don't care whose fault it is. You have to give me an answer.
It was her negligence that caused the error. In short, she's to blame.
What are you waiting for? Take her away. Do you still want your bonuses or not?
Everyone, stop. I said stop.
Boqian, why are you only showing up now? You don't know this German project has been totally ruined by Lin Wei.
Yes, Mr. Zhou, all our processes were ready, but it all fell apart at Director Lin's last step. She made Mr. Schmidt furious. But it's okay, luckily we caught it in time before a disaster.
Mr. Schneider, what are you doing here?
Lin Wei. Oh my god, I finally found you. After I heard you resign from Xiaolong, I've been looking for you to discuss a long-term partnership on lithography precision instruments.
Everyone. This is the president of the German factory we're partnering with, Mr. Schneider.
Wow, Schneider came in person, and he called Director Lin his teacher. That's really eye-opening.
Impossible. Schneider actually called Lin Wei teacher.
What's going on? Director Lin is actually Schneider's teacher.
Mr. Schneider, I didn't expect you to come in person. But right now, it doesn't seem like a good time to discuss cooperation. Your expert said the parts we produced are defective. Some people in the factory even tried to incite the workers to drive me out.
Schmidt, what's going on?
Mr. Schneider, the radial runout of these parts exceeds the tolerance. And there are machining defects. Indeed, they don't meet the standards.
Mr. Schneider, take a look at this defect. The edge of this mark is sharp. No metal fatigue. It should be caused by external force, not a machining error. And this measuring instrument. Just now, Mr. Schmidt did not fully calibrate the instrument. So the error of this instrument is at least 0.8 micrometers.
Schmidt, is this how you do inspections?
I was negligent for a moment.
Director Lin, the surveillance footage has been retrieved.
The surveillance footage is fabricated. Bokian, you have to believe me, I didn't do it.
Guards! Take Su Lianxue away. From now on, she is not allowed to set foot in the company.
President Zhou, I was wrong. Su Lianxue forced me to do it. I'll never do it again. Please forgive me.
How much benefit did you get from Su Lianxue? Tomorrow, you go to HR and resign. Also, the losses you caused to the company's production will be pursued. The company will take legal action and file a lawsuit against you. Take him away.
President Zhou, I was wrong, President Zhou. No.
Brother Bokian.
Director Lin, I'm so sorry, we just misunderstood you.
It's all because they fooled us. That's why we wrongly blamed you. Please forgive us.
It's okay, just a misunderstanding. As long as the misunderstanding is cleared up, re-inspect these parts. Strive to finish as soon as possible.
Teacher Lin, your calmness and technical skill are admirable. As for these parts, re-inspect them. We'll sign the contract now. And I've decided to grant the exclusive production rights for the precision components of the lithography machine to your factory.
Thank you so much, Mr. Schneider. We will not let you down.
Great, Master. I believe our cooperation will definitely break the foreign technology blockade.
We will, within 3 months, complete the precise guide rails of the lithography machine sample production, reaching world-class standards.
The expansion of the subsequent production line we are also ready to start.
Good. Great. Headquarters will fully support you. I have arranged for Tevez to stay, to assist you with technical issues. Master, I'll be going now.
Okay, take care.
This time, it's really all thanks to you. I didn't expect Mr. Schneider to also be your student.
I didn't expect it either. That he would come after me personally. But the workers' bonuses can finally be secured.
Workers, you should put down your work for a moment. Mr. Schneider has agreed to cooperate with us, and the order volume has doubled. All participating workers will have their bonuses doubled too.
Director Lin is really impressive. She landed a big order for us just like that.
I've decided. I will always follow Director Lin.
Me too. Follow Director Lin.
The sample test has passed, and production progress has sped up a lot. Mr. Schneider is very satisfied with us. Vice Director Lin, go ahead. What reward do you want this time?
I want to acquire Xialong Machinery Factory.
Xialong Machinery Factory? Isn't that the place you worked at before? Because they lost your expertise, their order volume has dropped by half. It's indeed a good time to acquire. But why do you suddenly want to acquire it?
After all, I came from Xialong. I have to go back eventually. This time, I want to rely on myself. To take back Xialong.
Tell me. This month's orders, why have they decreased again?
Mr. Chen, I heard that Heavy Machinery Factory signed the big order from Schneider. Many customers have transferred to their side. And Lin Wei seems to be working with Zhou Bokian to acquire our factory together.
What? Lin Wei? She still dares to come back?
Word is they're already prepping the documents.
They dare touch my factory? Get my car ready now. I'm going to Heavy Industries.
Yes, Mr. Chen.
Mr. Zhou, finance and legal are all set. The funds our company is putting up can easily cover Xialong's debt, and we can buy all the equipment and warehouses. Now we just need Mr. Chen from Xialong to sign, and we can complete the transfer.
The acquisition is fine, but we can't fire the old employees from Xialong. We have to keep them. They're the veteran core staff. They know the lithography technology inside out. Plus they're loyal. Keeping them would be a big help.
Yes, Miss Lin.
Mr. Joe, Mr. Chen from Shillong, has arrived at the factory gate. He says he wants to see you.
Didn't expect them to come this fast. All right, let's go. Well, Mr. Chen, you're well informed. You got the news so fast about our plan to acquire Xiaolong.
Joe. What the hell do you mean? You're going to acquire my Xiaolong with Lin Wei?
Since you know, we won't hide it anymore. That's right, we are going to acquire Xiaolong. Your company is already running at a loss. Why not just sell to us?
Bullshit. Even if I go bankrupt, I won't sell to you. Lin Wei. You're something. I invited you to join Xiaolong Group's management. You refused. Never thought you'd pull a stunt like this.
Mr. Chen, Xiaolong's bankruptcy was only a matter of time. Why drag it out till now? If you'd let go of Xiaolong earlier, the workers wouldn't be without pay.
Enough said. No matter what, I'm not letting go of Xiaolong.
Mr. Chen. Us acquiring Xiaolong now is us giving you a chance. If you don't take it, you'll be the one to suffer.
Stop with the scare tactics. Just because you've made a deal with Schneider, don't think you can strut around. Let me tell you something. My Xiaolong Group will rise again sooner or later.
Mr. Chen, if you sign, you'll still receive a compensation fee. If you don't, Xiaolong will file for bankruptcy next month. Then you won't get a single cent.
That's right. If you sell Xiaolong to us now, you can not only pay off all your outstanding debts, but also receive a substantial compensation fee. If you don't sign this contract, not only will you go bankrupt, but you won't even be able to pay the workers' wages. You'll also face the risk of being sued by the workers. Why put yourself through this?
They have a point. Xiaolong is now at the bottom. Those guys won't get their pay, they'll definitely come after me. So I might as well listen to them and sell Xiaolong.
Mr. Chen, I also thought about my attachment to the factory. That's why I asked President Zhou to give you a bit more compensation. It's enough for you.
Fine. I'll sign.
Hello everyone, I'm Lin Wei. Starting today, I am the new technical director of this factory. Here I'd like to announce 3 new rules. First, respect technology, respect expertise. No administrative order shall interfere with technical processes.
Good.
Second, clear rewards and penalties. Merit-based promotion. From today, your bonuses, performance, and promotions will all be based on ability, not on flattery or connections.
Good.
Third, the capable rise, the mediocre fall. I will establish strict technical assessments and job evaluation systems. Those who coast along, I suggest you leave as soon as possible. Those with ability, I will give you a stage to shine.
Great.
That's all I have to say. This meeting is adjourned.
Great.
Later, I promoted Engineer Wang to Director of Production, and he became my right-hand man. The era of technology and strength has just begun. This is not only my master's glory, but also my era, Lin Wei's era.